Do you love banana pudding? If you do, you're not going to want to miss today's recipe because I'm going to show you my favorite banana pudding recipe, and it's famous. You're not going to want to miss it. Hey everyone, it's Dorothy with crazyforcrust.com and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you my favorite banana pudding recipe. Now I've made lots of different banana puddings, but this is my favorite. It's actually a copycat of the Magnolia Bakery banana pudding from New York City. If you've ever been to New York City and been to Magnolia Bakery, then you've probably tried their banana pudding and you know that it is amazing. At first bite, I knew that I was going to have to recreate it, and this is the recipe. You're not going to want to miss this. It's the best banana pudding you've ever tasted. For more delicious desserts and easy recipes, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Now let's get in the kitchen and make banana pudding. Start with one 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. Make sure to use regular sweetened condensed milk, not low fat. Add 1.5 cups of ice cold water and whisk that until it's combined. Then add one 3.4 ounce box of instant vanilla pudding. Make sure that you're using instant pudding. Then whisk that until the pudding is dissolved. Cover it and chill it for 3 to 4 hours or overnight. Then add 3 cups of heavy whipping cream that you've whipped to stiff peaks. Fold the whipped cream into the pudding mixture until it's nice and smooth. Make sure to fold it so you don't break the whipped cream. And now it's time to assemble our pudding. Add Nilla Wafers and sliced bananas to the bottom of a trifle dish. Add some of the pudding, and then keep layering until the dish is full. You could make this in single serve dishes, you could make this in a large bowl, you can use a trifle dish as I'm using. However you want to make it, just layer the Nilla Wafers with the bananas and the pudding until the dish is full up. You're going to also want to chill this for a few hours, up to 8 hours before serving, so the Nilla Wafers can soften. See how easy that was? Yes, there's some chilling in there and there's a few different steps that you have to do, but every step is worth it. The Nilla Wafers get soft, almost taste like cake, and that filling, something about adding the water and the sweetened condensed milk to the pudding mix just makes the flavors, oh, they're delicious. If you love banana pudding, you're absolutely gonna love this recipe. Leave me a comment, let me know, have you ever been to Magnolia Bakery? What was your favorite thing? What is your favorite banana pudding recipe? I hope it's this one. Keep watching for more delicious desserts and easy recipes.